Okay, so here is part 2 of this DIY creation air conditioner. So I've done a few changes to it since since part 1. As you can see, I've cut a bigger hole. The first video had just a circle here, but I've increased it. Okay, more airflow is coming out, and maybe you can see inside, but I put a little, I guess you'd call it a manifold flap of some kind of styrofoam. But I'll show you inside from this part here. And you can tell the fan's a little loud, so I'll turn it off. Alright, so if you look here now, the flap is going down. Okay, so my thought was the air goes through, down, and will funnel more efficiently up and through the vent hole. So I have ice in there now. I'm not going to take a temperature measurement because my first video I did, and the laser actually just shot right inside and I think measured the wall or the closer to the ice, so I don't think I got a good ambient measurement of the air temperature coming out. So I won't do that.